SpeakUp for Business full review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the product are available in the description below. Let's get straight to the point. SpeakUp is a secure, cloud-based whistleblowing and incident reporting platform designed for businesses and organizations that need to foster a transparent, compliant, and ethically responsible workplace. It's ideal for mid-sized to large enterprises, NGOs, public institutions, and any organization with regulatory or ESG obligations. The platform allows employees and third parties to report misconduct, such as fraud, harassment, discrimination, or compliance violations, anonymously and securely. One of its standout features is its multi-channel intake system, which includes web forms, phone lines, mobile apps, and even physical QR codes to ensure accessibility across all levels of an organization. The case management dashboard is intuitive, offering automated workflows, escalation rules, and secure collaboration tools for internal investigators and compliance teams. SpeakUp also provides custom branding and multilingual support, making it adaptable for global teams. From a compliance standpoint, the platform is GDPR compliant and designed to meet the requirements of the EU Whistleblower Protection Directive, as well as other major frameworks like SOX, ISO 37002, and more. On the strength side, SpeakUp offers end-to-end encryption, role-based access controls, and audit logs, ensuring both reporter confidentiality and data integrity. It's easy to deploy, with cloud-native architecture requiring minimal IT involvement. The platform also includes analytics and reporting tools to track trends and identify recurring issues, valuable for improving organizational culture and risk posture. As for weaknesses, customization options for workflows can feel somewhat limited without enterprise-level packages, and while the UI is generally clean, more granular control over notification settings and user permissions would be useful. Also, while the platform does offer integrations, the current list of supported third-party tools is relatively small compared to broader compliance platforms. That said, for organizations that prioritize transparency, employee protection, and regulatory compliance, SpeakUp delivers exactly what's needed: secure anonymous reporting with efficient case handling and audit readiness. It's a strong choice for businesses building a SpeakUp culture and minimizing legal and reputational risk. Check the description below for more information and links to the product.